Just woke up early. I'm bored, believe it or not. I've been wanting to do my hair for a while, and everybody's been asking me how I do my hair. So this will be a win-win. We're going to do a fun haircut, and then I will show you guys how I do my hair with all these fun little clips. All right, make sure I got all my clips out. I'll take my hair down, and then we will chop, chop, chop. I'm going to do it different today. I'm going to just, and these are only scissors you can find when you have a son that steals them all. So we'll see if these cut. So I'm just going to wing it. Oh boy. Ah! This is what we're doing today. See? All right, maybe we can measure that. My dad would be saying that is not how you measure. All right. That's what we're doing today. Anybody cut their own hair? I got a feeling I'm going to regret doing it this way, but that's all right. One was definitely longer than the other. All right. Ooh, yeah, we'll see. That's going to be interesting. Let's just do this.
Stay tuned.
Oof, boy. I caught my honey before he went to work. This is going to be really short today. I'm feeling really a little reckless today on this Wednesday. And I know my friend, am I going on an angle? I feel like
yeah.
Go down now?
You're going, well, it looks like you're pointing down now.
All right, let's just do that.
It's a lot.
That is a lot. All right. It may be a new do today. We'll see. All right. Let's take it down and see what we got. Little bored on a Wednesday. The only time you'll see my hair down. Actually, looks great the way it is. No. What do you think? All right, let's just find a short piece. And we'll do this. Oh, that went a little short there.
No, it looks good.
How about here? I may need to wet this a little bit before I put it back up. Chop. 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 Let's see. All right, I covered my sink, so you don't want hair down your drain. I'm going to move this so I can wet my hair a tad bit. All right, let's see what we got. Wet this a tiny bit. This is the first time I've ever done it this way, so maybe it's good. Who says it can't be done? Hold on. Let's see what we've got. I feel like I look like somebody. Can't think of who. It's got a hairdo like this. I don't know TV people. So a couple of little stragglers. Let me just get those. Try not to make this too long. I'll try to speed up the process for you. My little mirror. This is how I see the back of my hair. I need to get this piece right here. That's my husband's stomach. I got him before he ate breakfast. Let's just... Uh-oh. I don't know what I did there. Hold on a second. Let's see what we got going on back here. I think I just need... Can I do this? I think I can just do this with the mirror. Hold on. Let me just get this quick. And trying not to get it on everywhere. Did I get it? That one right there. Good enough, I think. Good enough, I think. Let me get this out of the sink. Alright, I'm just going to wet this a tiny bit more with my hand. And then I'm going to show you how I put my hair up. Looks pretty good. Alright. So, I have a zigzag. I usually just pop that, spread my comb, and then I just do a zigzag. That's how you get that. I'm going to leave that there to speed up the process of my video for you guys. Alright, so I pull up a little section of hair like this, and then I'm going to braid it. So let me just get that. So I'm just going to braid it. I'm going to kind of look and see what I'm doing. So just braid, 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 braid. It's really super easy to do. I might need a couple extra clips maybe today because I did it a little short, but that's okay. Sometimes I'll get headaches and then I know it's time to do a chop chop. All right, I'm just going to wet this little end just so it doesn't completely unravel. All right, so that one's done. I just let it hang. Do the same thing to the other side. Same thing to the other side. Sometimes I'll just wet my hand just because it makes it easier to do. So just separate it. I'm not really picky, as you can tell. If I have more in one, less in the other, doesn't really matter. All comes out, as long as it's a braid. So just braid it. Anybody can do this. This is definitely my haircut style choice. I've been wearing it for I don't even know how many years. Everybody wants me to wear it down, but I don't like things in my face. Alright, so once you have those two, then you're going to lift up one and you're just going to grab a section behind it and comb it up. Comb it up like that. And then you're going to grab your braid, just like that, and hold it. Now you're going to move this braid. I kind of just hold it with my hand. Pull up a little section over here. And after you do it a few times, it gets easier. Put that together. So now I have the two sections and the two braids. Might not be even. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't look bad.
This is a crafter's world. We do it any way we want. I definitely have to wet my hair. This is going to be the trickiest part because this is shorter. So let me just wet that a little bit. And then I'll be ready for work on this Hump Day Wednesday. What is everybody doing today? Crafting, working, haircuts? Let me know in the comments. I want to know. This will be the trickiest part. So then you just try to braid them together. My hair grows fast, so just braid it. Sometimes that middle one will be a little shorter. Sometimes I'll grab from the other one too, so I can keep going a little longer. So I can see in the mirror. Grab whatever. Then grab the end of the braid. I tuck it under usually. I don't have a lot to tuck under, but usually it's really long. Now I need all my handy dandy clips, which I get a job on, but you can get anywhere. So I put one clip at the end, one in the middle, and then I use my little mirror so I can see all the stuff I've missed. So I always put one here. I always put one here. A little comb. And I always do one there. And I always do one here. And then I'll just kind of see any scragglers or things that I need to get. I can scoop those up with my clip and clip them in. And scoop these ones up. I might see these better this way. Sometimes I can't see in my little mirror. Put my little mirror down. And then actually, I'm going to go ahead with another clip. So now as I get this one little piece that sticks up here, and I'll just clip it down. Ta-da! That's my haircut, Craftin' Wednesday, and updo. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for being a part of our Endeavors and More page, and hope you just have fun today.